to changing conditions and requirements. Lights might dim when a room is empty. This simple yet effective measure can significantly reduce energy consumption, especially in large facilities with many unused spaces. Machines might slow down during off-peak hours. By reducing the speed or shutting down non-essential equipment, factories can save a substantial amount of energy. These small changes add up to big energy savings. Over time, the cumulative effect of these optimizations can lead to significant cost reductions and a smaller carbon footprint. AI helps factories use energy only when and where it's needed most. This targeted approach not only enhances efficiency, but also contributes to a more sustainable future for industrial operations. The results are in, and they are impressive. Factories using AI-powered energy management are seeing significant reductions in energy consumption. In some cases, energy use has been slashed by as much as 70%. That's like powering your home for free for 2/3 of the year. These savings translate into lower costs for businesses and a smaller carbon footprint for the planet. AI is proving that sustainability and profitability can go hand in hand. The success of AI in reducing factory energy use is just the beginning. AI has already shown its capability to transform traditional manufacturing processes, making them more efficient and less resource-intensive. This is just a glimpse of what AI can achieve. AI has the potential to revolutionize many other industries. From healthcare to finance, AI is poised to bring about significant changes. In healthcare, AI can assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately and swiftly, while in finance, it can predict market trends and manage risks more effectively. Imagine AI optimizing traffic flow in cities, reducing congestion and emissions. Smart traffic systems can analyze real-time data to adjust traffic signals, reroute vehicles, and even predict traffic patterns to prevent jams before they happen. Or AI helping farmers use water and fertilizer more efficiently, boosting crop yields. Precision farming techniques powered by AI can monitor soil health, weather conditions, and crop growth to provide farmers with actionable insights, leading to better resource management and higher productivity. By harnessing the power of AI, we can create a more sustainable and prosperous future for everyone. AI-driven green energy solutions can optimize the use of renewable resources, reduce waste, and lower carbon footprints, contributing to a healthier planet. AI can help us build a greener planet for generations to come. From protecting endangered species to managing natural resources more effectively, AI's applications in environmental conservation are vast and promising. The future with AI is not just about technological advancement, but also about creating a better world for future generations.